you're a seller/reseller and you're looking for an easy way to get a plain white background online, there's a site that removes the background for you in just 5 seconds, and it's free. The site is called Remove.bg. Remove.bg uses AI technology to detect foreground layers and separate them from the background. The technology also uses algorithms to improve fine details and prevent color contamination. The site recognizes images with persons, products, or cars. Abstract images or pictures may not be compatible with the technology, but it's 5 seconds to try and it's free, so why not? If you want to use this resource commercially or for e-commerce, there are paid options as well. Visit Remove.bg for more details. And as always, have fun, explore the community, create connections, and make some money. Happy poshing!
Thank you.